Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Today we are going to see the introduction for lesson number 2, linear equation in one variable. So this is a introduction video. Earlier you have seen algebraic expressions. You have learned these algebraic expressions. What are algebraic expressions? Any number along with the variable is called as the algebraic expression, and relation with that number with other number, that total is called as the algebraic expression. So this is 5x, example minus 7 by minus 7 6, 2b minus 3, 3a plus 4, 7x square plus 5. All these are called as the algebraic expressions. When these expressions are equal to something else, then it is called as the algebraic equation. So that is the difference between expression and equation. Expressions are just relations, and when these relations are related to something that are equal to something, then it becomes the algebraic equation. Okay, and in the equation we have x, y, z, a, b, c. Those are called as the variables, and if the superscript of x is 2, it is called the power of x as 2. If the superscript of x is 1, then the power of x is said to be 1. If the superscript of x is minus 1, the power of x is said to be as minus 1. So for any equation in the form of ax plus b equal to c, where power of x is 1 here, then such type of equations are called as the linear equation in one variable. See, for example, this one algebraic expression, I have given here two examples. This is 5x plus 4 equal to 7, and the second example is 7x square plus 5 equal to 14 here. So in this term, in this equation, the superscript of x is 1. So this equation is called as a linear equation in one variable. But for this equation, 7x square it is there, the power of x is 2 here. So this is not the equation of linear equation in one variable. This is not a type of linear equation, but this is a type of linear equation since the power is 1, since the power of x is 1 here. So such type of equations are called as the linear equation whose variable power will be 1. For example, now how to solve these equations? Suppose this is a given example, 2x minus 3 equal to 7. You have to find the value of x. So whatever number is there along with the x here, you have to move it onto the other side of the equal to, so that we can find the value of x. Now first here 3 is there and 3 is having negative sign. So move 3 to the other side, that is 7 plus 3. It will become 7 plus 3 since it is negative here. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So 2x equal to 10. It will become 10. Now 2 is multiplied by x, but we want only x. So we will do divide here. So 10 upon 2 is, answer is 5. Similarly, 2y plus 3 equal to 7. So 3 is plus here. When it goes to the other side of equal to, it becomes negative. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So 2y equal to 4. Now 2 is multiplied by y here. So do the division. 2 will come in division on the other side. So y equal to 4 by 2. The answer is 2. Third example is t by minus 3 equal to 5. So minus 3 is in a division form along with t. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes multiplication. So it will become 5 into minus 3. That value of t becomes 15, minus 15. And 3b equal to 9. So 3 is in the multiplication with b here. So when it goes to the other side, it will become division. So b equal to 9 by 3. So value of b becomes here 3. So these are the some examples, basic examples I have given how to solve the algebraic, also how to solve the linear equation and find the value of the given variable in the equation. That's all for now. This was introduction to lesson 2. If you have any query, you can comment me in the inbox. You can write your comment in the inbox. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math. Thank you.